Hello, Aspen. Today, I'm going to show you online texting and chatting jobs from home. If you're a lady or a gentleman, you can be an online text chat agent and make phenomenal money. Pacifica Media is hiring agents right now. All you have to do is be at least 18 years of age, have great reading skills, you must be able to speak English well, and understand English well, and type at least 65 words per minute. Top performers make up to $75 per hour. Now that's a pretty penny. Also, another great position is hiring now. As a text chat operator, top earners here make upwards of $40 an hour. All you have to do is give a sexy call and you will be rocking and rolling. Ladies and men are needed for this position. If you're interested, consider virtual sex work. Ask for Tracy. Next position, you can make money sexting. Arouser is a website where men text or call hot ladies and get pics via text or an app. You must be able to text and voice chat for this position. Also, you have to have a computer or an Android phone to qualify. And remember, folks, this is not for the timid individuals. This is for someone brazen that can talk about just anything. You get paid 20 cents per message. And remember, both men and women are being recruited for this position. Don't forget, early bird gets the worm. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to give a thumbs up